Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D and welcome to my YouTube channels. So in this video, I want to demo for you guys a web hosting business website that you guys can own instantly by just contact me, and then I will set it up for you guys. And because I already did videos to show you guys how to build this web hosting business. If you guys want to check it out, those videos, please check out my course in the video description. But let's get started by showing you guys. This is the home page, the front end of the website. Let me show you. Okay, so this website is built based on WordPress multi-site, and the plugin, the page builder I'm using is Elementor, and you can come in and edit these very simple and easy. We can even add links over here for the visitor to click on build website or something like that. So one cool thing about this website is that let's check out the pricing. Over here we have the pricing table that the user can come in and they can sign up for the website on our network. So let's say let's click on this basic free plan. So this package we can set up for the user with some features like premium themes and plugins that we install on our network. So this is the available template right here. We can click the view template to check out the design. We can create these pre-built website and then have it available for our user to come in and check it out. And if they like it, they can click over here to install this template. And it's very easy. All the user have to do is just enters like a name for their website, and then they need to choose like the URL. In this example, I'm going to choose a template. Okay, as you can see over here, this is our custom domain name, and then this is the URL that the user can have for free. So they don't necessarily have to have the custom domain name to have a website, but if they want to add their custom domain name to the network, we have that options available for them too. So a little bit about me. I've been building web hosting business for maybe 5 years now, and ever since I've been getting a lot of experience through trial and error. And pretty much I make some recurrent monthly income off of this web hosting business. So I want to share this with you guys so you guys can start making money on live monthly using the subscriptions business model. Okay, let's continue to the next step on the process of creating the website. So this template already have it. We choose one right here. Alright, so all we have to do now is just enter our username, template. Then all we have to do now is just hit create account. And just like that, the user can have the website instantly, just like that. And if you want to offer like a free plan for your customers, you can actually add Google AdSense. We can go into Google AdSense and get the AdWords, the advertisement code, and we can plant it on our website, and we can monetize those free plan on our network. But this is the dashboard. When the user sign in, and let's go over here and check out the site. So basically, this is the site that we just check out and we like it. This is this is on an e-commerce platform that we can sell products on. But one cool thing about this web hosting business is that we can have many websites in just one WordPress installation. So this is the dashboard. This is our admin dashboard for the whole network. And as you can see over here, we have 4 themes update that we need to update on our network. And the cool thing is that all the website on our network will get updated once we update it here. So if, for example, you are a freelancer and you have your customers on your network, this case you don't have to go into each site to update manually. This case, all you have to do is just select all of the available updates for your plugins, and then you hit update, and it will get update on all of your clients' website. Pretty cool, huh? There are some cool things about this. This is my web hosting business website, the smartandgood.com domain, and basically it's the same thing. I create a theme library for my users to come in and check it out, and if they like a certain themes, they can install right then and there and then. Apologize for the language. English is not my first language. Yeah, as you can see right over here, all of the plugins get updated. We can check out the dashboard, and let me show you guys how to add a theme or a new website from the backend, and you can set up as a template. It's pretty cool. I do this all the time for my client. When I have a new freelance client, all I have to do is just go into the my site, and then go to the sites right here. Then I just hit on the add new, and over here I can choose the URL for the development template. I can choose template 2. Okay, and then I can choose the site and name, anything I want, like template 2, and then we can change this later if we want to. Then enter our email address, and then if you already created the template for your client, you can select it right over here. But since we are creating a template, so later on when we need it, we can install it right here. And then we can even choose the plan for our network. Okay, all we have to do is just that, and then hit add site. And just like that, we just create another site. So as you can see, I create a site in just not even 5 minutes. I create 2 sites in just 5 minutes. Okay, let's check it out. We can go to the dashboard of the template 2 that we just created, and then I will show you guys how to install some themes for this setup right here, and then we can install some plugins for this to work nicely. Okay, all we have to do now is just go to appearance, themes, and then we'll choose the one we want. We can hit update this theme right here, and then we can even hit this activate button. All right, let's see. And one cool thing is that this theme right here come with many templates, many pre-built site that we can use as template for our network. Okay, so let's check it out. Let's close these, and we are going to activate extra widget, and and we are going to activate starter template. There we are. Okay, now so when we go to appearance and we scroll down to extra options, we can make changes to our themes, and we can go to a starter template, and we can install a pre-built website. Okay, we'll choose Elementor. Okay, then as you can see over here, we can sign up for the agency package, where you will get more themes, even more themes. But as you can see, they have very nice pre-built themes websites. etc. That we can install for our network. So let's say this yoga instructor is a very nice website that I want to install for my network. All I have to do now is just hit the imports complete site, and just like that, delete previous import site. Okay, because I want a clean install, so I'll just delete the last site that we created, that WordPress created as a default site. Okay, now import. It probably take about 4 to 5 minutes for this whole thing to get imported to our site, because of all the images, the text, all the customs, CSS functions, etc. Okay, so this is just an email from one of my clients' website. Okay, we can have a security plugin that's monetized off our website. Okay, so the site is all set now. All we have to do now is just hit the view site. And voila, just like that, we just installed this site for our template. Now we can use this template right here for our network. Let's check out About Me. There you go, very nice website. Okay, now so I'm gonna show you guys how to install the template, so our user can choose this as the template for our website. Okay, now we go to WP Ultimos, and then settings, and then we go to network setting. Okay, so a little bit about WP Ultimo. Is a premium plugin. It costs about $500 for the lifetime license, but if you want this whole network set up on your server, you can check out the link in the description. Okay, so now we are in the WP Ultimo. This is the setting for our network. We can scroll down, and you see the template site right here. We are going to check it. Okay, now that you check it, let's scroll down and hit Save Changes. Okay, now let's go over here, go back to our main site. Let's log out of this. Okay, let's go back to hosting. Okay guys, now that we are back into our demo web hosting business website, we are going to click on the demo, and as you can see, we have a template site right here. We can click on it, and behold, and voila, we have the yoga instructor website that just installed it on our network. Let me show you some cool things about the network. Okay, you can custom the plan over here. All we have to do is just hit the all plan, and we have the three plans that the plugin created as on the default. Okay, we can hit over here to add a new plan, and it's very dynamic. You guys can even allow which plugins available to which plan, and we can choose what premium themes that is available to our customer. Okay, we have the quotas and limits we can change over here. We have the pricing tables over here, and we can even add new cool features over here. And over here we have the features plan. When we check that features right there, this is what we are going to see. So this is the feature plan. It's popped up like that for us, and this is a great way to create many websites on your network at the same time as monetize your web hosting business using WordPress multi-site. If you want to learn how to build this web hosting business website, please check out my course. And if you don't want to learn how to build it, but you want to own it, you can contact me by check out the link in the descriptions. I will be more happy to assist you with your web hosting business agency, or if you are freelancers, this is a great way to make recurring monthly revenue from your client. Alright you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Please hit that like button, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It will show a lot of love to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.